We want to help you by selecting the best products.
Selection of Top 3.
Portable Countertop Dishwasher NOVETE Compact Dishwasher with 5L built-in. Water tank and inlet hose, 5 washing programs, baby care, air dry function and LED light for small apartments, dorms and RVs.
More details for your purchase in the video description.
Top 2.
Farberware FDW05ASBWHA Complete Portable Countertop Dishwasher with 5-liter built-in water tank, 5 programs, baby care, glass and fruit wash, black, white. Its approximate price is $307.
More details for your purchase in the video description.
Would you like us to make a video of a product? Let us know with your comments and support for the channel. Top 1.
Danby DDW631 SDB Countertop Dishwasher Stainless Steel. Its approximate price is $377.
More details for your purchase in the video description. We hope we have helped you. If you would like us to update this or other reviews, let us know in the video comments.